Welcome back to Outfits Garage. It is another day in the outfit world, and had somebody bring something by. They've worked on it, spent all kinds of money on it, and they're trying to get it figured out. And I told them, I said I'd look at it when I get a chance. So needless to say, they brought it on by, and we're going to see what we can do with this. Let me show you what it is. It is a tree trimmer truck, a bucket truck. I got to figure this deal out. He has done everything that's bolt on this motor that can be done. It's 366. They took fuel injection off of it, put a carburetor on it, put intake gaskets on it, pulled the distributor out, put a HEI in it, and they still don't know why this thing don't run right. So it's got a miss in it, and I'm gonna see if I can find that miss. And they said it just don't have any power. So I'm gonna see if I can't figure that deal out for them, and we'll go from there. So y'all cross your fingers while I tinker on this. I'm gonna shut the camera off while I work on this, but we'll see if we can figure this deal out. All right, guys, I am back. I've tinkered on the motor a little bit. I found a problem. It's running 100% better already. I'm going to take it for a little test drive. Clutch is way out of adjustment. Oh yeah. I can tell you already, this thing's fixed. Yeah, she's ready. We'll turn it around, take it back to him, or have him come get it. I can't believe that that's all that's wrong with it. Y'all want to know what's wrong with it? Y'all just hold on a minute. Make y'all wait in suspense. Trying to get this thing down the road, let it warm up a minute. There ain't a thing wrong with that. garage's work on it. And all of that. I think, taking the fuel injection off, I think there might have been a problem with an injector, and they put this carburetor on it, the HEI distributor in it. I think that eliminated a problem, but they created another problem when they did this. And what they did, everybody overlooked it. Everybody said it was in time. My brother-in-law even looked at that and said it was in time. That was in time. I hadn't even touched that. I went back to the basics. Check firing order. Always. First thing, remember a Chevrolet firing order. 6 and 4 is not swapped, but it was on this one. They couldn't figure it out. It just would not pull, didn't have no power, ran rough. Six and 4. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Always check your firing order. All right. We'll see you later. Well, you know, guys, when you get something running like it's supposed to, and you think you might want to check one more thing, don't. Just go ahead and leave it if it runs good. Anybody know what that is? Anybody that knows cars knows exactly what that is. I pulled on the plug, the end, as you're supposed to. Twisted it, pulled on it, and pulled right off like it's supposed to, and then this was stuck on the plug. Yeah. Needless to say, now I gotta fix plug wire. Well, guys and gals, it's come to a sad day here at Outfits Garage. My 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 is leaving the premises. Rick from down at BB Cylinder Head has acquired this car from me, and well, he's already got plans for it. It's been sitting in my shop for a good long while. I've had it for several years, and well, it's time to let it go, I guess, because apparently I'm never going to work on it. So I just decided to let him buy it, and maybe he could get some enjoyment out of it, and I'll be able to see it going down the road. And I can see it at the shop down there at BB Cylinder Head from time to time. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later. God bless you. Keep a hammering, guys. And away she goes.